How can we encourage corporate entrepreneurship? Corporate entrepreneurship is the process of creating new ideas and turning them into profits. It creates a space where people feel free to explore, experiment, and take reasonable risks. We do this by creating an environment that inspires and rewards innovation. This will help people trust that their ideas will be taken seriously and encourage them to share those ideas. Let's learn about a few of the strategies managers can use to facilitate this process. First, we should get in the habit of challenging our assumptions and asking questions. Don't assume you have all the information, and don't assume you know the best way to do things. Ask other people what they think. Also, by being an idea champion, we help others implement their ideas, and we give them the credit they deserve. By building cross-functional teams, we promote collaboration and information sharing across the organization. It's also helpful to empower those teams to make decisions about how their work gets done. We can create idea incubators, which are designated spaces for creative thinking. We can also make changes to the physical work environment, like removing cubicle walls or moving desks around that encourage people to talk to one another. Collaborative technology and speedstorming can also help people innovate. Speedstorming is like speed dating, except it's for employees, and the goal is to share ideas, not secure a date. People tend to enjoy brainstorming sessions, which allow groups to create a large number of ideas. Brainwriting is a similar process, but instead of asking people to share their ideas out loud, we ask them to write those ideas on paper. Brainwriting overcomes some of the group dynamic challenges inherent in brainstorming. Divergent thinking means identifying multiple alternatives instead of a single one. Lateral thinking means making connections between unrelated topics or thinking outside the box. We can also use analogies to liken abstract ideas to concrete objects. For instance, we might liken creativity to fishing. When we think of abstract ideas as concrete objects, we sometimes see it in new ways. So ask yourself, what does this problem remind me of? The final strategy is to examine the system's individual parts separately. Thinking about a system as a whole can be quite difficult for some people. Breaking it into smaller pieces can help them digest the information. By implementing these strategies, managers can encourage corporate entrepreneurship and help their teams be more creative and innovative.